Ever dreamt of gaining 1,000 subscribers in a single day? It might sound like a tall order, but it's not an impossible task. With the right strategy, you can turn this dream into a reality. So buckle up as we delve into the steps you need to take to make this happen. First things first, you need to understand your content. It is the backbone of your channel. It's what draws people in and keeps them coming back for more. So, ensure your content is not only captivating but also unique. Ask yourself what sets your content apart from the rest. Get a clear understanding of what you offer that others don't. The second step is to optimize your channel. This means making sure your channel is easy to find and navigate. Use keywords relevant to your content in your channel description and video titles. This will make your channel more searchable. Also, organize your videos into playlists based on the content. This makes it easier for viewers to find what they're interested in. Thirdly, engage with your audience. Respond to comments on your videos, engage with viewers on social media, and show appreciation for their support. This builds a relationship between you and your viewers, and fosters a sense of community. Next, you have to promote your channel. Share your videos on your social media platforms. Collaborate with other YouTubers, run contests and giveaways. The more you get your channel out there, the more likely you are to attract new subscribers. Lastly, be consistent. Consistency is key in the world of YouTube. Upload new videos on a regular schedule and stick to it. This gives your viewers something to look forward to and keeps them engaged. To summarize, gaining 1,000 subscribers in a day requires understanding and creating unique content, optimizing your channel, engaging with your audience, promoting your channel, and being consistent. It's not a walk in the park, but with determination and the right strategy, it's definitely achievable. Remember, every successful YouTuber started from scratch. They had to learn and grow, just like you. So don't be discouraged if you don't hit your target right away. Keep refining your strategy, learning from your mistakes, and pushing forward. Your hard work will pay off in the end. That's it for today. Try these steps and let the magic happen. Good luck on your journey to 1,000 subscribers in a day.